Hello, welcome to another tutorial video of Wonderchat. Today we will go over on how to automatically have tickets created inside of your Zendesk account. This means that, for example, when a client is contacting your chatbot on your website and there is something specific that client is asking about, or if the chatbot is not really sure about how to reply, or for some other specific question that you want, Wonderchat can automatically create a ticket inside of your Zendesk account, so your customer support team can then reply directly to the client. Let me show how you can do that. First, you need to watch our video to see how to integrate Wonderchat with Zendesk, which is very simple and easy to do. Once you have done that integration, you need to go to Agents, select the chatbot that you want to use, and go to Edit. Inside of the chatbot, you have two ways of making this happening. You can go here to Tools, scroll down up until you find Zendesk, and enable this option. Create ticket. Go to Edit and set here when you want to use this. If it's when the customer submits a specific form or at a custom prompt. For example, in this case, we put here when asking for a return, we can put when client asks for exchange a product. And click Save. And this means that whenever the client is asking for an exchange, a new ticket will be created inside of Zendesk. Let's test it out. And here it is. I typed out, can I exchange a product? And I got a reply, yes, you can exchange a product. I have created a ticket for your exchange request. A support agent will follow up with you shortly to assist you further. If you have any other questions or need additional assistance, feel free to ask. You do have another option of making this, that is from the workflows. This means that you will be creating an action for a specific case from the user. Let's follow again the idea of the exchange. You click on Add New Workflow. You select here when you want to use. When client wants to do an exchange. You can select the type of question. And then you need to select the action. And on the actions, you have multiple actions that you can put together. For example, you can first collect the information from the client, like for example, the order number. This is a custom field that we created here on creating custom field. And you can select more options. Let's say, for example, that you will need the order information from the client. You will need the email address from the client. And you need to ask the client which product you want to exchange to. So you can select the fixed question and ask here, which new product would you like to have? And now, as the last step, you can select to have the ticket created. And this means that once the client completed all the information from all these steps, a new ticket will be created inside of your Zendesk. You can select the ticket subject, and you can put here the ticket content, and you can also select some ticket requester, email or order number. For example, let's say that it will be the order number here. And once you are happy with all the settings, you will just need to click Save. Let's test it out again. I typed out, can I exchange this item? And immediately a workflow was triggered. And the chatbot will start asking all the questions that we set up: order number, email, which item we want, and then we'll create a ticket inside of our Zendesk account. This is how easy it is to have tickets created automatically inside of your Zendesk. We hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you.